This is one of my favorite easy recipes. It is called dump cake because you literally dump things into your dish and throw it in the oven. It is so unbelievably easy. You're not going to believe it. And it's so good. It's really, really good. And you can make this with any kind of filling that you want. I personally like and have on hand cherry. What we use is a pie filling, some cherry pie filling that was in my pantry. I love cherry pie filling, and for either making a pie or just to have on hand. Sometimes I just eat it the way it is, sad but true. But I like cherry pie filling. And if you had peach or apple or whatever you had on hand, you could use it for that too. It all just, you're dumping it in the dish. It doesn't matter. So what we need for this is our pie filling. And what goes on top is cake mix. And that's pretty much it. I have a butter cake mix right here. Again, that's what I had on hand. That's a pretty basic one. You might have stuffed in your pantry from earlier. You thought you were going to make a cake and you didn't. Really easy. And really, this is a really inexpensive dish as well. And then on top of that, we're just going to use a little bit of butter. And that's all you need for this entire, very rich dessert. Let's start putting it together.